Hello and welcome to my channel, Reed's Bike Builds. On this channel, we will be covering a lot of different biking content such as building different project bikes, working on trails, and general bike maintenance.
Okay, let's get into the video. So, here we have my first bike, my main trail bike, my Excalibur 9. So I've done quite a bit of customization to this bike. I have tied up the cables with some zip ties. And then I put a dropper post on it. Didn't come with the dropper post. Got my pump, my bag and stuff. So it has a pretty good drivetrain. The Shimano SLX. So we got that with those. We have a Kenda tire in the rear. And up front we have a Bontrager XR3. Soon to be tubeless. Right now we still have the tubes inside of it, but I'm gonna get new tires and make it tubeless in a little bit. It's a 1x12. Oh, and I run clipless on this bike. Oh, and
RockShox Judy Silver.
before. Okay, next we have my road bike. Next we have my road bike. My Cannondale R1000. So it has no brake discs. It's a 2x10 drivetrain, full carbon frame, carbon fork, carbon rims, carbon cranks, all carbon on this bike, carbon bars. We have standard brakes, no disc brakes. Yeah, so they're ready. And I run clipless on this bike too. I swap the pedals between bikes because I only have one set as of now. So that is this bike. My next bike is my old trail bike, my Marvin Sticks. I got tuned up and then the fork snapped, and then I got a new bike instead of continuing to have an old one. So I got a new fork right now. I'm gonna make it a 1x. My front rim is getting serviced. It's going to be a 1x8. And it's going to have front hydraulic disc brakes, rear hydraulic disc brakes. So it's going to be hydraulic disc brakes all around. As of right now, there's no front rim, but I have my back rim set up with a Kenda tire. The same one that was on that bike, because when I got this thing serviced before it broke, I got a new back tire and front tire, and they were both that style. So when I put the new tire on this bike, since this is a Schrader system, so it can't be tubeless, we are going to put this tire on it. We're going to get 2 new tires for the tubeless conversion for that one. So my next bike is my Mongoose 50. Extra credit. So sorry, garage is a mess right now. We're going to clean that up in a bit. So this is one I keep on the repair stand. So it is a it's a single speed, obviously. Rear Trek pegs. These pedals are actually rusted in. This is a fixer-upper bike. It's kind of weird. We got all the original Mongoose parts. So it is a Walmart bike, but it's a BMX bike. Mongoose makes okay BMX bikes. Plastic seat. So that's all my bikes. And then I got an Park Tool AK5. Soon we're gonna have a workbench there between those top kayaks, those 2 kayaks and those top ones. We're gonna put a tool bench here where we currently have the grill and a tool wall showcasing all of these tools. So we have quite the collection here. I added some old tools that I had. So to start off, we have our 2 spoke wrenches, a bottom bracket tool for internal cartridge bottom brackets, valve core remover, a set of 3 tire levers, cassette lock ring tool, a 2-prong cassette lock ring tool, and some spare bolts. Then you open this up and you take the tray out, and we have all the rest of the tools. So we have a tape measure, a set of hex wrenches, 3 hub wrenches that are double-ended, most common sizes, my I-beam multi-tool, which has a tire lever on the back, so that's a pretty good multi-tool, derailleur, adjustment screwdrivers, master length pliers, a DT2 rotor truing tool for bent disc rotors, a crank puller, a chain checker, a 3-way star bit tool or Torx tool, a large adjustable wrench, a chain whip and pedal wrench. We have some brushes, the Gear Clean brush, the Cyclone chain scrubber with a handle. That can work with either. And then the that brush. Don't know what it's called. Can't come with a name. Some standard grease, cable and housing cutters, a set of vice grips, a 3-way Allen tool or hex tool, a chain tool, and a dummy hub. So that's my tool collection. That was my first intro video. Welcome to the channel. And we'll see you in the next video, which will probably be some trail maintenance. Building some trails over with my friend, the Trail Terror. You can check out his channel. He doesn't have any videos posted yet, but he's got a pretty good channel. Ideas so far. So that's tool collection, bikes, tool thing we're gonna build here. We're gonna build this half of the garage out into a bike shop. Oh, and then I'm going to have another channel. I also snowboard. I have just a little tidbit about this here. I have a head snowboard with head bindings. It's their Daymaker board with a set of head bindings, which I forget what are. So, really good board. I ride a lot. So we're gonna be probably filming a trip out. We're going out to Jack Frost Big Boulder this weekend. So we're gonna be filming that probably and uploading videos on my second channel, which will be for snowboarding. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.